My video guide is about removing the ransomware called Protect, and this ransomware, by the way, is from the Medusa Locker ransomware family. So my video is only for educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documentation, and all other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the computer system, this Protect ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the system. And then very soon users realize that they cannot access their data anymore because of this Protect ransomware. So all the files get damaged and encrypted by this horrible ransomware called Protect. The real purpose of this ransomware is to trick users into basically wasting their money. The ransomware very soon reveals a special ransom note, and it tells the victims in this ransom note that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. But, of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee that the data would be restored. So if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. Don't pay that ransom ever. So this is what happens with the files. You try to open the specific file and you get a message indicating that it's not possible to open the file with this Protect3 additionally appended extension. And this is the ransom note titled as How to Back Files. Let's try to open it with Internet Explorer browser. So here it is. Once again, don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then once the program gets successfully installed, start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware. With its anti-ransomware feature, it helps to protect your files in the future, but Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Nevertheless, it is powerful enough to effectively detect this ransomware and to get rid of it. Consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution for protecting your data. Please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to recover your data.